Today we are watching the video for ITA Pitter Trade Theory Semester 4 2015 Old Question Paper. Language English. Dear friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Full title in front of the question paper. This question, each wrong question 25% mark reduce. Paper 1, Pitter Theory Semester 4. Total mark 150. Time 3 hours. Let's come to this subject. Question number 1. Which anti-corrosive metal is widely used for surface coating on iron sheet for galvanizing? This question answer, option A correct answer, zinc correct answer. Question number 2. The process used making the joint in bracing for soldering material is dash. The process used making the joint in bracing for soldering material is dash. This question answer, spelter. Option C correct answer, spelter. Question number 3. Identify the coupling allows positive transmission of power at large angle. This question answer, option universal coupling. Option B correct answer, universal coupling. Question number 4. Brass is an alloy of dash. Brass is an alloy of dash. This question answer, copper and zinc. This question option C correct answer, copper and zinc. Question number 5. Aluminium is extracted from the ore. Aluminium is extracted from the ore. This question answer, bauxite. Option B correct answer, bauxite. Question number 6. Electroplating is done on job to resist corrosion. Which pole of DC supply is connected to work in electroplating process? This question answer, negative pole. Option B correct answer, negative pole. Question number 7. Generally, underground telephone and power cable are protected from corrosion by using dash. This question answer, option B correct answer, lead. Correct answer, lead. Option B correct answer. Question number 8. Name the part marked X shown in figure. X marked name is gland nut. Option C correct answer, gland nut. Question number 9. What is the advantage of cast iron pipe? This question answer, less corrosion. Option A correct answer, less corrosion. Question number 10. Which pipe is used for interior work? This question answer, steel pipe. Option A correct answer, steel pipe. Question number 11. What pipe is generally used for carrying cold water? This question answer, PVC pipe. Option D correct answer. Question number 12. What joint is used for temporary pipeline? This question correct answer flange joint. Option B correct answer. Flange joint. Option B correct answer. Question number 13. Identify the part of the pipe wrench marked X shown in figure. X part's name is adjusting nut. Option C correct answer. Question number 14. Identify the reducer T branch. This question answer correct answer. Option B correct answer. Question number 15. For cascading, the first stage is carburizing. It is mean dash. This question increasing the percentage of carbon on the surface. Option C correct answer. Question number 16. The function of a washer is dash. The function of a washer is dash. To provide bearing area. This question answer option D correct answer. To provide bearing area or nut or bolt, then large area. Large area, then bolt or nut. Question number 17. Washer are generally specified by dash. Washer are generally specified by dash. This question answer center hole diameter. Option C correct answer. Question number 18. In a V belt, the angle between the side is dash 40 degree. This question answer 40 degree. Option D correct answer. Question number 19. A fixture is a device used for dash. A fixture is a device used for dash. This question answer holding the workpiece. Option A correct answer. Question number 20. A jig is a device used for dash. A jig is a device used for dash. This question holding the workpiece and guide the tool. Correct answer option D correct answer. Holding the workpiece and guide the tool. Question number 21. Which of the following can hold the work, locate the work and guide the drill at the desired position? This question answer drill jig. Option C correct answer. Drill jig. Question number 22. Typical locating device for cylindrical job used in jig and fixture are dash. This question correct answer V block. Option B correct answer. V block. Question number 23. The fire triangle in fire hazard is identified as dash. This question correct answer fuel, oxygen, heat. Option A correct answer. Fuel, oxygen, heat. Question number 24. To put up class P fire, the type of fire extinguisher used dash. This question correct answer carbon dioxide. Option C correct answer. Question number 25. Which type of gear used in heavy power transmission? Which type of gear used in heavy power transmission? This question correct answer hearing phone gear. Option C correct answer hearing phone gear. Suppose hearing phone gear answer not given, other answer helical gear. So here correct answer hearing phone gear. Option C correct answer. Question number 26. Identify the Pavlov zone in figure. This question answer option C correct answer. Question number 27. Name the foundation fold usually forged and fill up with lead or cement. Name the foundation fold usually forged and fill up with lead or cement. This question correct answer rock fold. Option B correct answer rock fold. Question number 28. Name the rivet cut used for heavy fabrication work. This question answer fan cut. Option B correct answer fan cut. Question number 29. The main purpose of using a lubricant in machine tools is to dash. The main purpose of using a lubricant in machine tools is to dash. This question answer minimize the friction between the mating parts or reduce the friction between the mating parts. Same answer. Option C correct answer. Minimize or reduce the friction. Question number 30. Identify which one is single strap butt joint shown in figure. Identify which one is single strap butt joint shown in figure. This question answer option B correct answer. Question number 31. Which one is stepped drive shown in figure? Which one is stepped drive shown in figure? This question answer option C correct answer. Question number 32. Belt slip reason is dash. Belt slip reason is dash. Less tension. Option A correct answer. Less tension. Question number 33. Identify the oil cup zone in figure. Identify the oil cup zone in figure. This question answer option C correct answer. Question number 34. Which type of knot is used to join two pieces of rope of equal diameters? Which type of knot is used to join two pieces of rope of equal diameter? This question answer square knot. Option B correct answer square knot. Question number 35. Name the belt fasteners shown in figure. Name the belt fasteners shown in figure. This question answer wire type. Option C correct answer. Wire type. Question number 36. Name the gear used in the given figure. Name of the gear is used in the given figure. This question answer bevel gear. Option A correct answer. Bevel gear. Question number 37. Name the coupling which allows positive transmission of power at large angle. Name the coupling which allows positive transmission of power at large angles. This question answer universal coupling. Option B correct answer. Universal coupling. Question number 38. What should be the diameter of the rivet? So rivet diameter asking. Here value thickness 3.5, other sheet this 3.5. So total thickness 7 mm. Here rivet dia formula D equal to 1.2 multiply thickness, total thickness. So equal to 1.2 into total thickness 7. So multiply 1.2 multiply 7, 8.4 mm. This correct answer. So option D correct answer. 8.4 mm. Question number 39. Name the type of clutch can only be engaged when two elements of the clutch are stationary. Name the type of clutch can only be engaged when two elements of the clutch are stationary. This question answer dog clutch. Option A correct answer, dog clutch. Question number 40. Identify the centrifugal clutch shown in figure. Identify the centrifugal clutch shown in figure. This question correct answer. Option D correct answer. Question number 41. The best example lubricant is for semi-liquid dash. The best example lubricant is for semi-liquid dash. Answer grease. Option A correct answer, grease. Question number 42. Which non-press metal tensile strength can be increased by hammering or rolling? Which non-press metal tensile strength can be increased by hammering or rolling? This question answer copper. Option B correct answer, copper. Question number 43. Name the tool which is used for pulling pick nails out of timber and move the heavy object. Name the tool which is used for pulling pick nails out of timber and move the heavy object. This question answer claw hammer. Option A correct answer, claw hammer. Question number 44. Gunmetal is an alloy of dash. Gunmetal is an alloy of dash. Already this question, gunmetal alloy is gun meaning catch. First can catch and watch straight and shoot the animal or other object. So can in machinery, first catch and straightness and shooting. So C for copper, T for tin, Z for zinc. So correct answer option C, correct answer. Gunmetal is an alloy of copper, tin and zinc. Question number 45. Which kind of material to be used for hard soldering purpose? Which kind of material to be used for hard soldering purpose? This question answer copper. Option A, correct answer. Question number 46. Soldering iron are made of copper because dash. Soldering iron are made of copper because dash. It is a good conductor of heat. It is a good conductor of heat. Option D, correct answer. Question number 47. Which testing instrument is used for checking the vertical horizontal level? Here question mistake. Vertical and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal level of machines. Which testing instrument is used for checking the vertical and horizontal level of machines? This question answer block spirit level. Option B, correct answer. Block spirit level. Question number 48. Identify the type of defect shown figure. Identify the type of defect shown figure. This question answer snap wrongly positioned. Option B, correct answer. Snap wrongly positioned. Question number 49. What is the standard taper of the pin? What is the standard taper of the pin? This question answer 1:50. Option C, correct answer. Question number 50. Name the type of jig in which a faceplate is not available. Name the type of jig which is a faceplate is not available. This question answer plate jig. Option A, correct answer. Dear friends, this question paper is used to all friends. Thanks to all.